Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want to show you guys how a day in my life in Jamia. It's that I recently thought that I showed you guys how a day in my life in my hostel, but I didn't show it like how a day in my life in my Jamia, like including the college and all. Literally I am just shy shooting the videos in public. I'm not comfortable, so because of that like I don't do this, but I want to do it now. Like I will try to take some glimpses in my college. So, and also Ramzan is going on. This is second day of Ramzan, so Ramadan Mubarak to all who are fasting, to all. So I thought I want to show you guys, Jamia Hostel provides Sahari and Iftar for those girls who are fasting. So that's we are very blessed to have, because in every hostel there is no system like that. They don't provide anything. So for us they provide, so that's a good thing. So I want to show you guys what they provide in Sahari and Iftar and all. And I want to show you guys, and also my class timing is also some kind of different from normal days. So I want to show you all that. So today we woke up at 4, so our Sahari timing is like 3:30 to 5. So we got our Sahari, then let's eat. Ground floor. Guys, as you can see, this is our Sahari food. It's pani burji, 2 roti and boiled egg. This boiled egg we get on alternative days. And there is chai and dahi also. I didn't take both. And you see this green card. You must have seen a blue card already early. So this is like our coupon. When we give blue card in Sahari, they will give back green card to us, which we can bring to Iftari, vice versa. So let's eat. Here is we brought fairy light. This thing we do in every Ramzan. The Pehla one got short circuit, so we brought new one. It's so nice. Hi guys, I just woke up after Sahari. It's already 10. So what happened was, my plan was to study after Sahari, like not to sleep. But I could not sleep yesterday. Like I just slept for 1 hour. So that's why that plan was spoiled. So I thought to sleep for some time after Sahari, then I can wake up like at 8 or something. But that also not happened, because I have to sleep at least 6 or 7 hours. Then I will automatically wake up. Like maximum I can sleep 6 or 7 hours. After that, like I cannot sleep. I will be automatically wake up. That's also happened when my sleep time. Okay, yeah, I woke up automatically. So it's 10 now. And also I cannot sacrifice my sleep for any study or something. If it's exam time, I will do a little sacrifice, but it's not even exam time, so why I have to do that sacrifice? That's why okay, I thought to sleep. But the thing is, normally my class timing is afternoon, that is 2 to 6. So now it's Ramzan, so there is a little difference in class timing. They changed the timing from 2 to 12:30. So the class will start early, and also it will finish at 3:45. If there is tutorial, then 4:30. That's why I don't have much time left before this class timing. Otherwise I had a lot of time till 2, so I could utilize that time. But in Ramzan the timing is like that. But still it's great, they minimized the timing. Normally we have 1 hour lecture, but now they minimized it to like 45 minutes. That's very blessing, guys. So what I'm going to do, I have at least 2 hours to go to class, so I thought I can utilize that 2 hours and study something. So then I will be coming like 3:45 or 4:30. I don't know if there's tutorial or not today. Let's see. After that there will be iftar in Ramzan, like there will be iftar in hostel. I want to show you guys what they provide in iftar in our hostel. See. So guys, I'm just staying in my balcony. This is my usual thing, like whenever I woke up I just come to balcony and have some sunlight. If it's in winter, but it's almost summer over there, but still it's night to stand here. And I will show you the balcony view. And here is the balcony view. In one side you can see the field area where we hear a lot of children crying loudly at midnight. And here in this area it's cemetery. Now it's study time, guys. If anyone out there who don't know which course I am doing in Jamia, it's LLB and I am in my second year now. But the thing is that I am studying now for CSCET. It's company secretary course I wanted to do with my LLB. So it's a best combination with LLB. It was very hard for me to take this decision because I always had thought to go for litigation, but it was not my thing in many ways. So here I am listening this lecture. Someone suggested me on this YouTube. So let's finish this. Guys, so I just finished one lecture. I could only finish that. Now I have to get ready for the college. And the good thing is that our department is just 300 meters away from my hostel, so I just want to walk in 2 or 3 minutes, so I can take it easy. Let's get ready. I am all set to go. Now let's pack the bag. There is nothing to pack, but still I want to show what books I bring to my class. The funny thing is that I only use this notebook for every subject in this semester. It's more than enough. And also this book, the one I used in my previous sem, because every professors don't give us much notes during lectures. Some of them maybe send the PDF, so we will take printout or make our own notes, so it's enough. And other is that the Bare Act I take for criminal law and constitutional law. So let's go, guys, it's time. First lecture is Public International Law. It is the combined class of regular and self-finance. So the class full of students, some of them even didn't get seat. So teacher told them to sit on the desk. And here this second lecture also finished. It was criminal law. So since Ramadan started, there is a slight change in timetable. We have only 45 minutes lecture instead of 1 hour. So it's so good, guys. Classes are finishing so fastly. And this is my hand after when I written on my notebook anything. Guys, I was there in 3 lectures: family law, criminal law and public international law. And there was another tutorial of public international law, but I skipped it. Let's go to hostel now. You must have understood that I run to my hostel after lectures. I'm very bad when it comes to bearing the lectures. Guys, the tutorial class Abhi, but I skipped it. My brain is not working anymore after 3 lectures, so I don't want to sit. Finally in room. My hostel room is my heaven. Hi guys, so I just reached in my home and did my namaz. Now I will be going to Ansari Healthcare. That's a hospital located in our campus. So if the students had any problem, if they are being sick and everyone, something like that, we can go to the Ansari and get the treatment for free. The consultation and also the medication is also, both are free. So we just have to show our ID card, that's all. So this is very blessed that we have our own hospital in our campus. So like my friend is sick, a little sick, she vomited and all, so I will go with her. So I will also show you the hospital, like just tiny parts. See, let's use stairs. This is only once in while I use stairs. Here is our sick Marchana, guys. So our hostel is located in gate number 8 and the hospital is gate number 4. So there is much distance to walk. The campus was so peaceful, maybe because Ramzan started, so everyone went home early. So here you can see the BDS department is looking so pretty. This is our hospital, guys, Ansari Healthcare. We just have to show our ID card to consult the doctor and get the medication. Hello guys, just reached in room and I'm so tired. You know, heaven, the hospital is in the campus. The distance between the hospital and my hostel is 1.5 kilometers. So we are total walked like 3 kilometers. Now I have to go to take the iftar. So the iftar time, like they started giving iftar like at 4:30. So I will go and take iftar and I will show you what we get on our iftar. Let's go. Let's go. So here is our iftar. Let me tell you, here is this much big watermelon we get, and 2 samosa and green chutney is there, and black channa. Yesterday it was dry chola. So this channa they give every day, and there is fries, there is banana and kaju. Here we also got watermelon shake for 30 rupees. Some girl was selling it in hostel. Here is we are giving a little more taste to channa. Adding this masala to channa is more better. So guys, this is our yesterday's iftar menu. Just the channa is different. Today's iftar finished. I could not eat the banana, so I will eat it in sahari. And also there will be coming bread pakoda, palak pyaz pakoda, and also veg cutlet. So they will be like change, and so they all will be coming. They all will be there in coming days. And also in sahari ka menu pe there are also changes. Like there will be pulao, and also another day some what was that? Some aloo ka sabzi and roti and paratha and chana dal. Like I don't remember, but something like that will change. So aloo paratha also. Today we had paneer burji, and alternative days we have boiled egg. So that's all. But at least it's okay. Like Ramzan food is good comparatively, and like I think it's better than our breakfast. The sahari food in Ramzan is so much better than our breakfast. So that's all. So hope you guys loved the vlog. Now I will be ending this vlog because I thought to edit this vlog today only. Otherwise I will be procrastinating it. So I want to edit this vlog today only. So I will take the whole day, like the whole night for this only. So if you guys want vlog like this, please comment down. So that's all about. Hope you guys loved it. Bye. Annyeong.